Let's make tandoori paratha in air fryer. The recipe I'm sharing here is just to show people that you can make tandoori paratha in air fryer. This is not to show that you can make 20 parathas or 30 parathas in air fryer. So if you want to do that, do it in oven. 3 cups of plain all-purpose flour, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, 3 tablespoon oil. I'm using olive oil, normal oil is fine. A teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Mix everything. Knead with warm water. Add the water gradually. I've kneaded a soft dough. Now I'm gonna let it rest for 15 minutes. The dough has been resting for 15 minutes. Gonna drizzle a little bit of oil and just knead it to make it smooth. Reheat your air fryer for 5 minutes. Take some melted butter. Mix some oil in it. Get some plain flour on your work surface. Now just roll out a naan, a plain naan. Now I'm going to take the butter and oil mixture, spread it on the naan. Now dust some dry flour on it. The easiest way for me is to just fold the naan. Okay, now stretch it. And then just hold one corner and just roll it all around. That's it, and then tuck it in. Now let this rest for 5 minutes so it will be easier to roll it out. Let's roll it out. I'm gonna make some impressions with my fingers. You can use a fork as well. I'm gonna glaze it with yogurt. Gonna add some garlic to it and some chopped coriander and just press it so it sticks to the naan. Some sesame seeds, of course. The air fryer is preheated and it's very hot, so just be careful. Just gonna place the naan in it. Now this is gonna go again in the air fryer, 200 degrees Celsius for about 7 minutes. This is halfway through. I just wanna brush some butter on it. Just finish cooking it off. Here's the tandoori paratha. I just wanna show you the base of the naan because I was asked this question last time and I didn't show it. So it's perfectly cooked. It's not brown, but it's perfectly cooked. You don't need to flip it.